Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we will journey together into a peaceful forest sanctuary, a place where you can find deep rest and natural calm. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your body settle into this space. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to arrive here fully, leaving behind any concerns from your day. Begin by taking 3 deep, cleansing breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and breathe out through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Again, breathe in deeply, inviting calm into your body, and breathe out, letting go of anything you no longer need. One more time, breathe in peace and stillness, and breathe out, allowing your body to relax completely. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Feel your body beginning to soften and settle. Notice how your shoulders can drop just a little more. Your jaw can unclench. Your forehead can smooth. With each breath, you are becoming more and more relaxed. Now I invite you to imagine that you are standing at the edge of a beautiful, ancient forest. The air here is fresh and clean, carrying the earthy scent of moss and pine. You can see a gentle path winding between tall, majestic trees, their branches creating a natural canopy above. The dappled sunlight filters through the leaves, creating patterns of warm golden light on the forest floor. You begin to walk slowly along this peaceful path. Your footsteps are soft and quiet on the cushion of fallen leaves beneath your feet. As you walk deeper into the forest, you notice the gentle sounds around you. Perhaps the soft rustling of leaves in a light breeze, the distant melody of birdsong, the quiet whisper of wind through the branches above. With each step, you feel more and more at peace. This forest welcomes you completely. You are safe here, protected by these ancient guardians of nature. Continue walking until you come to a beautiful clearing where soft grass grows beneath a circle of towering trees. In the center of this clearing, you discover the perfect spot to rest. Perhaps it is a smooth boulder warmed by filtered sunlight, or a soft patch of moss beneath a wise old oak. Whatever calls to you, settle into this space. As you rest in your forest sanctuary, take a moment to really absorb the peace that surrounds you. Feel how the earth beneath you supports your body completely. Notice how the gentle sounds of the forest create a natural symphony of calm. The air you breathe here is pure and nourishing. With each breath, you draw in the life force of this beautiful place. Feel yourself becoming one with the peaceful energy of the forest. Any worries or stress from your day simply dissolve into the earth beneath you, like morning dew absorbed by the soil. Here in this sacred space, you are reminded of your own natural wisdom and inner peace. You belong to this web of life, connected to every leaf, every bird, every gentle breeze. Rest here for a few moments in complete stillness. Allow this deep peace to fill every cell of your body. Know that this forest sanctuary exists within you always. Whenever you need to find calm and grounding, you can return to this place in your mind. The peace you feel here is your true nature, always available to you. Now, when you are ready, it is time to gently return. Take a deep breath and begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the life energy returning to your body. Take another breath and gently roll your shoulders. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room where you are sitting or lying. Know that you carry the peace of the forest with you as you return. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of calm and centeredness. The forest sanctuary is always within you, just a breath away. Thank you for sharing this peaceful journey with me today.